Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you all will be very fine. I am also very fine here. Today I will discuss you about Tag You app to increase our score of SEO on YouTube. Here we can get suggest keyword. We can write any keyword about my topic. For example, how to use Kind Master. CoinMaster is a very brilliant app about and these are some keywords that the app show to us, and now we can change our topic. How to download a YouTube video. Let's check it, and it shows us some keywords about it. And the other feature of this app, get tags from URL. We can check the tag of anyone else, and for this we first go to YouTube, and I will search my friend's channel, Latif Abad Shakargar official. It is a channel of videos, Islamic videos, and we will take a video from here, and it is the channel videos, and we will pick a video from here. It is a video जो बच गई जिंदगी दिल आनते. Skip and stop this video to avoid copyright, and we touch on share button, copy link, and then we went to our app Tag You. There, get tags from URL, and we paste the link of the video here, and now check. This app is supported by some ads, and it is the keywords that my friend used on his video. With the help of these steps, we can increase our SEO score, and our video would be grow more than the other videos. Hope you all will like our videos, and this app also has some more features that will we discuss in our next video. Till now, Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.